Welcome to SIRS training videos. My name is Terry and I'm a SIRS user support assistant, and today I'll be demonstrating the procedure to purge a large number of items from the inventory module. Before we begin the demonstration today, I'm going to take you to our website and show you where the document resides that it contains this information. If you go to our SIRS website, click on Resources and Key Users. And then in the left-hand menu, you choose the Inventory selection, and then the document that says Inventory Tracker. This is the best practices document for the inventory module, and the information on how to purge items from a large number of items from the inventory module is in this document. For today's demonstration, I'll be logged into SIRS as a key user in a high school. Now, in order to purge a large number of items from the inventory module, a set of books, you need to make sure that the status on these books is inactive. In order to do that, you can globally update the status of a large number of books, and that must be done before the purge. So if you go to Inventory and go to Item Copy Global Update, and then a screen will come up to globally update the information. What we are globally updating is the inactive status. So if you click on inactive status and you click on rental copy, that will show you all the copies of books that you have in your data. What you need to do is make the selection for the books that you wish to remove. For today's purposes, we are going to remove a book called Student Text, and all I need to do is check mark each one of these books that I wish to remove. So you can just check mark there. If you hit the down arrow on your keyboard and then your space bar, that will actually make the selection on each item that you'd like. So just check mark all the books that you wish to update. When you've made the selections, just click OK. It will show you the number of items that have been selected. Then click Proceed. And we are changing the status on these books from active to inactive so we can purge them. So all we need to do is we can click or start to type inactive in the box, or click on the little button beside the box and it will show you the choices that you have. So we want to choose an inactive status. You click inactive and then just click inactive. You can choose any one of these items in order to purge the books. So just select which one you would like. Click Next, and it will ask you if you want to, or if you're sure you want to update these. So I'm going to say yes. Then it'll ask you if you're really sure, just say yes again. And that quickly it will update the status of these books. Just click OK. Now you've changed the status of the books that you wish to remove or purge from inventory. And you may now do the purge, and you may go to the inventory module menu and go to Item Copy Purge. It will ask you what status you wish to remove, and we wish to remove ones that are marked inactive. So if I just click inactive and then I click on the rental copy, it will show me all the inactive statuses in textbooks or equipment in the inventory module. So again, you just need to select each one of these that you wish to purge. And again, you can do that with your down arrow in the space bar. Once you've selected all the ones you require, just click OK. It will show you the number of items that are selected. Now, because we just made these items inactive, we are not able to purge them on an inventory date that is today's date. So you must pick a date in the future. So for today, I'm just going to pick one day in the future. And you notice that the Purge button is not available. The program asks you to preview the items that you're going to purge before you purge them, just as a precaution. So I'm going to click on the Preview button. And this will then display the items that I have selected and the total value of those items. So you can print this document this time so you know which ones that you have purged. Just close the preview by hovering over the little door and clicking there, and you'll notice now the Purge button is available. So I will click on the Purge. It'll ask if I want to continue with the purge. I say yes, and that quickly those items are now removed from inventory. If I click OK, then the procedure is done and I can close out of there. If you want to remove the item completely from inventory, you can go to Inventory and Inventory. Find the name of the book that you removed or the books that you removed. Student text. Now, if you have removed all the copies available for this, that does not remove the item from the inventory list. If you're just removing a number of copies, then you would not do that. But I'm going to remove this completely from the module, and you can see that the number of copies is 0. You can only remove an item from inventory when it has no copies attached to it. So I'm highlighting that information, hitting remove. It asks me if I want to delete. I say yes, and then that item is gone from the list. So that is how you would remove copies, purging them by changing the status, and also removing the item completely from inventory. Thank you for joining us for this video today. If you require any further assistance on this or any other procedure, please contact us at our helpline 403-817-7557, or you can contact us by email at sursupport@cbe.ab.ca. Thank you.